If you lay your hand against your chest right now, in the heavy quiet of the night, you might feel a peculiar kind of tiredness. It isn't the clean, satisfying exhaustion of physical labor. It is a hollow, invisible ache, a weight that sleep cannot seem to fix. We are a generation that goes to bed exhausted, yet wakes up tired. Listen to the absolute silence of your room. It feels quiet, but your mind is still running at a frantic pace. In modern psychology, we call this cognitive overload and the systematic erosion of the psychological sanctuary. Historically, home was a physical fortress against the outside world. When the sun went down, the gates closed, and the mind entered a natural state of rest. But today, the world lives inside your pocket. Hyperconnectivity has violently torn down the boundaries of the human psyche. We are constantly accessible, constantly broadcasted to, constantly forced to process the collective grief, anger, and noise of 8 billion strangers. Your brain was never evolutionary wired to carry the weight of the entire planet every single second of the day. You aren't weak. You are simply overstimulated and emotionally bled dry. Why does this relentless connectivity leave us so deeply paralyzed? It is because of a powerful psychological phenomenon known as ego depletion. Your willpower, your empathy, and your emotional energy are not infinite resources. They are a finite battery. And modern life forces you into thousands of silent, involuntary microtransactions of attention every single day. Every email you choose to ignore, every notification that demands an instant reaction, every piece of catastrophic news you force yourself to filter out drains a drop of your sanity. Worse, the digital age has forced us into an era of performative existence. We are no longer just human beings living our lives. We are our own PR agents. We manage our public impressions. We curate our joy. We police our sadness to fit a specific aesthetic. We are constantly performing on a stage for an invisible audience that never sleeps. This relentless self-curation is exhausting. It leaves us emotionally bankrupt because we spend all our vital energy maintaining the flawless image of a life, leaving absolutely nothing left to actually live it. The ultimate cure for this modern exhaustion is not a vacation or a self-care routine. It is the radical, rebellious decision to become emotionally unavailable to the noise. It means reclaiming your primitive right to be out of reach. It means recognizing that you do not owe the world an instant response, and you do not owe the internet your attention. Look at the horizon. The stars are fading into a soft, quiet silver. They don't blink, faster to get your attention. They don't demand you to swipe or like or judge them. They simply exist, cold, distant, and perfectly at peace. Your emotional exhaustion is not a failure, it is a boundary. It is your soul telling you that your cup is full of things that do not belong to you. It is time to pour them out. It is time to let the notifications pile up, let the messages wait, and let the world spin without your permission. For a while, the day will soon return with its digital chaos and its frantic demands for your energy. But for now, in this quiet, sacred hour, step back into the analog dark. Turn off the screen, close your eyes, and protect the only sanctuary that truly matters. Your life was meant to be felt, not consumed.